What's up, YouTubers? Before the video starts, I just need to talk to you about something super quick. There's no getting around it. You're about to watch a commercial for my new website. And all I ask is this: if I've brought you any value on this platform over the past 20 years, my first YouTube video was in 2005 when YouTube first launched. Please just do me a small favor and watch this 2-minute video about the new site, because the new mikeslessons.com literally represents my life's work. And even though this may sound a tad egotistical, I'm excited to share this with you. I'm truly proud of this new website and how it will help you and your drumming. So without any further ado, here's the new mikeslessons.com. Thank you so much for checking out mikeslessons.com. Now imagine you want to see what's inside the site, and no one is more excited to show you all the things that you'll experience once you sign up than me, so let's dive in. Now, the educational content that you'll experience inside the website is broken up into 3 main parts: courses, sessions, and the candy shop. Yes, I said the candy shop. Now, courses is where the core of your education will take place. There are 10 categories, and in each category, you'll find courses for beginner, intermediate, advanced, and pro. Once you start a course, you will be presented with our lesson page. Here you'll find a premium 4K quality video lesson, a timer to keep track of your practice session, a notes section to keep track of your personal milestones and any challenges you face during the lesson, and the notation for each lesson created with our proprietary Groove Scribe software, which allows you to play back the notation, slow it down, speed it up, add a click, take the click away, and a ton of other really cool features. The next step on your journey is sessions, and this is where the magic happens. For me personally, the majority of my growth as a drummer came from me learning songs. Each song unlocked a new skill set or presented me with a set of problems that I had to solve, and that's the concept that sessions is built around. Each session is technically a course built around a drumless track. And there will be individual lessons teaching you the grooves of the song, the fills that are going to happen throughout the song, and also helping you out with any speed or independence things that you might need to be able to play the song. But that's not where the magic happens. The magic is in the accountability. Every session besides session 1 is locked, and the only way to unlock it is to film yourself playing the song and then submit it to me for review. Then I'll watch your session, I'll write a review for you, and as long as you played everything correctly, I'll unlock the next session for you. Now, the candy shop is truly special. This is the place you go when you've eaten all of your vegetables and you just need a little something sweet. Think of this more like edutainment than education. The candy shop is filled with one-off lessons that, to put it quite simply, are just flat out fun. This is where you're gonna find lessons on my favorite chops, my favorite grooves, and my personal variations on traditional material. Now, there is a ton more inside, like guided workouts, weekly live streams and archives, detailed practice tracking, and I didn't even get into our vast library of drumless tracks for you to jam along to. But if you're ready to take the next step in your drumming journey, then sign up today, and from the bottom of my heart, I can't wait to work with you.